Hi, welcome back NextTech Spark.
Hey everyone, welcome back to NextTech Spark. I hope you're all doing amazing. Today, I've got an exciting tutorial for you. I'll be showing you how to create this stunning aura effect in Capcut in just a few simple steps. This effect looks super cool. And the best part, it's really easy to make. You don't need any advanced editing skills. Just follow along, and you'll be able to create this awesome effect in no time. I promise I won't waste your time, so let's jump right into it. Step 1. Open Capcut on your device and create a new project.